Hi, first I would like to thank you for having me as part of this meeting about the cultural and creative industry in Senegal. I will present my project and I hope to provide you with a good overview of what is happening in Senegal. So mJangale is the name of the project that evolves as part of the SenMobile startup. It's an after-school program in STEM, science, technology, engineering and math to reduce social inequality. So the team is composed of me, but also Babacar Diop, who is in charge of operations. We have a lead instructor who is in Ziguinchor, and we have a consultant in education and curriculum in Thiès. And we are also relying on a network of tutors which are across Senegal, Thiès, Dakar, and Ziguinchor. So what is the problem that we want to solve? So we are looking at how to introduce youth to STEM early, how to teach STEM in a culturally relevant context, and we want to inspire more youth in careers in tech. So these are the three very important questions that we are tackling. So our solution is mJangale. And mJangale means learning in Wolof, one of the languages of Senegal. And M means mobile. Mobile meaning not only mobile technology, but also being mobile. So mJangale is an after-school program focusing on STEM for youth from elementary to high school. And it aims at reducing social inequality. So 4 pillars are important in mJangale: the curriculum, the methodology, the tutors, and the parents. In terms of curriculum, we developed our own curriculum and we have different workshops that we offered, like Introduction to Computing, Programming with Python, mobile app development with MIT App Inventor, which is a tool, web development, game programming, data science, visual art programming, fashion tech, cybersecurity, 3D printing. All of these workshops involve a team project, lots of active learning, interactive activities. Design thinking is very important in our methodology. Students will go through all the steps of a project and they will present their project at the end of the workshops. We propose some of these workshops as part of some activities with Goethe Institute. So what are the innovations of our project? We target girls and underprivileged youth. That's a very important aspect of the project. We develop curriculum that is adapted to the Senegalese and African context. It means that we're trying to be very context-oriented, very culture-oriented. We also have, so that means also that we have a completely customized curriculum. Other part of our innovation is that we are the first initiative to propose fashion tech workshop in Senegal, and we know that fashion is very important in Senegal. So here we're building on the top of something that is very important, like fashion, and we bring together fashion and technology. And so the children and the youth part of the workshop can design smart shoes, smart bracelets, smart clothing. They can be as imaginative as they want. Our model involves the parents. Parents are very important, so we want them to be involved in the learning of their children, even if they're not completely literate or if they did not go to school, they still have a very big role to play. We created some coding and electronic kits that are based that we can use in our training. And the other innovation is our network of tutors that permits us to scale and go in different regions of Senegal and not focus only on Dakar. So these are the examples of kits. So we have a Baobab, the Car Rapide, and the type of kit. And we use this Arduino components, electronic components on the kits. So the kit permits to to create lighting. They permit to understand electronics, electricity, for example. So lots of things that can be. It's nice to see, but it's also that there's a complete learning behind it. These are some examples of work done by students. So we have here 2 mobile apps, Kalahama, and that was when the topic of the workshop was Senegal and its culture. And we have another app here, which is an app about sport, because we had also a workshop where the topic was more around sport. We have here a website I like to read, and here we have an example of what was done at one of our fashion tech event. So this group created some very particular earrings, and then they use their imagination and their creativity also to completely integrate this fashion tech instrument into the look of this little girl. So in Senegal, there are other initiatives of this type, like Atelier des Génies or Code Lab Africa and Joko Kids. What makes us different is that we focus on underprivileged children. The market size, we plan to target 5% of the youth in Senegal. That's 250,000 youth, and based on also the number of NGOs, 20% of the NGOs evolving in education. That's 6 NGOs. So what is our revenue model? We earn money from workshops for organizations that we propose to organizations and individuals, and you see our prices, in fact, the money we earn with bigger organization, we try to reinject it to permit underprivileged youth to attend also our workshops. For example, workshops in the summer. We also plan to sell the kits that we created online to people in Senegal, but also to diaspora and to everybody who will be interested in this type of kits. So what are our results? Overall, in the last 3 years, we trained more than 750 youth. We covered 3 cities. We have a summer program that is working very nicely, and that we offer every year. This year will be the 3rd time. We also were part of different incubators, accelerators program, and participated to lots of entrepreneur competitions, like Bonjour Idée in France, but also locally the TIGO, Reach for Change Accelerator. We participated to the British Council Great Entrepreneur Free in 2017, and we are part now of NTFIV Croissance Incubation in 2018. We also have a focus on research, and we want to disseminate our work, so we present at academic and professional conferences. So what are our challenges? Our challenges are mostly scaling, offering our program on an everyday basis. That's one of the biggest challenges. Another challenge is human resources, finding tutors who are dedicated to work with youth in the summer and during the academic year. What's our next step? Our big project is to develop the first African coding platform. So there are many platforms for teaching coding to youth, but we want something that is much more culturally relevant to people in Africa. We have a number of clients and partners. We worked a lot with Goethe Institute, Child Fund, the Fondation Socosim. We are hosted in NGO in Senegal called Les Enfants d'Abord. So we are very thankful to our clients and partners. So this is what I wanted to say about the mJangale program. It's a really exciting endeavor in Senegal, and that I hope will go on for a very long time and scale and be profitable. Thank you so much.